Hello guys, welcome to the series of Dart programming language tutorial. As a part of Dart's control flow statements, we are going to learn Dart's do while loop in this tutorial. So let's get started. In do while loop, a block of statements will be executed first, and after then only it checks the condition. If the condition is true, then the loop will keep execution of its iterations. It is same as while loop, but in the do while loop, a block of statements will execute at least once inside the body of loop. So here we have a syntax for the same. We have do, then we have a block of the loop. Inside that we have statements, and then we have increment or decrement, and after that we have a condition. So in this syntax, the body of the loop will be executed at least once, whether the condition is true or false. So let's understand it with the flow diagram. So when we execute our program, so it's go inside the loop body, then it's perform the increment and decrement operation, and after that it will go inside the loop condition. If the condition is true, so it will come again inside the body of the loop, it will perform the increment and decrement operation, then it will go and check the condition again. This cycle will be continued until we get one false. When we will get false, and the control will come out of the loop. Let's have one simple example to understand it. So let's write a program to print number from 0 to 10 in reverse order. So let's take one variable int number is equal to 10. Let's have a do while loop now. Let's print number. Now we will perform the decrement operation for this number minus minus. Then we will have condition of inside this while number is greater than or equal to 0. So let's save and run this program. So here we have the output. We are printing the number from 0 to 10 in reverse order. So please find the GitHub link for this example in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.